I will talk about LCX and share my price prediction for the next bull run with long and short-term analysis. And we'll have potential price targets and potential buy zones for LCX to make maximum profits. So let's go straight into the content. LCX is on place 262 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $160 million. The coin has existed since 2020 and we saw the all-time high in 2021. LCX is a regulated cryptocurrency exchange that is getting more popular each day. We have a very interesting ecosystem and partners. And LCX got lately presented at the famous meeting in Davos. LCX started to increase about 100%, so the bullish move is starting right now. And if we have a look at the technical analysis, we built the all-time high in 2021. After this, we saw this massive crash to lower levels. We came all the way down into this demand zone. And as we came again into this demand zone, we saw the support right here. Then we started this massive move to the upside. And we also broke over this supply zone where we saw resistance multiple times. And we now saw the weekly body close over this supply zone. So this is a very bullish sign and the chance that we go to the upside is very high. And if you look at the chart, it's looking crazy bullish right now. And if we continue this bullish momentum, the first really interesting price target is this high right here. Because after we saw this high, we saw this move to lower levels made in lower low. So I think this is the first really interesting price target. And if we find acceptance over this high, then of course the next really interesting price target is this all-time high. And from the prices right now to the all-time high, we would have a potential of 200%. But I think the potential of LCX is even higher. So for calculating a potential price target, we are using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low. And then we are getting this potential price target. And if we have a look at the 3.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $2.38. And I think this price target is very realistic. I think the chance to the upside is even higher. Because if we would compare the price from LCX right now to the market cap of Kronos, one of the bigger exchanges, then we would have a potential of $2.82 and a potential of 13x. So this potential would be already higher. And if we would compare LCX right now to the market cap of Polkadot right now, we would have a potential of $11.56 and this would be a 56x. And I think it's very realistic that LCX can reach the market cap of Polkadot right now, because if the bullish trend continues from the total crypto market cap, then the chance of reaching the last all-time high is there. And for the bull run, if enough money comes from retailers and big institutions into the crypto market, the chance that we explode over the last all-time high is really high. So I think prices of $11 are very realistic for the next bull run. And if we were to compare LCX right now to the all-time high of the market cap of Crow, we would have a price target of $29 and a potential of 140x. But of course we have to see how the price will evolve, and I think $11 are very realistic for the next bull run. Of course guys, this is just the orientation from the prices right now, but I see a lot of potential in LCX. It's really bullish right now and we are just on place 262 of all cryptocurrencies. So if we would reach this kind of price targets, it would be an amazing deal for LCX. So we looked for potential price targets and now we are looking for potential buy areas for LCX. And if you have a look at the daily chart, you can see that we are clearly in a bullish structure. So the chance that we continue this bullish momentum to the upside is there. So if you're not invested in LCX right now, I think this kind of prices are already a great chance. But if the price will go lower again, then I would have a look at this demand zone right here, because this longer consolidation was the start of this move to the upside. We broke directly this important supply zone. So if we come back into this demand zone and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then the chance is really high that we can continue this bullish trend from this demand zone. So I think this level is a great chance to buy some coins for the long term for LCX. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like LCX, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So guys, LCX is a very promising coin for the next bull run. We are right now in this bullish momentum, which is a really good sign. And I think prices of $11 for the next bull run are very realistic. And I think LCX has definitely the potential to be one of the best performing altcoins in the next bull run. If you like this kind of video, write in the comments below which coin do you want to see at next. And I also made a video on the coin Altlayer, which is a very promising coin for the next bull run. So if you want to see the Altlayer video, click on the video in the credits. And I also have a playlist on my channel with all of my crypto coin price predictions for the next bull run. Feel free to check it out. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.